Most people think management information systems, or MIS, means software used by managers. That's too shallow. A management information system is not just software. It is the system that collects data from daily business operations and turns it into useful reports, summaries, and insights for managers. In simple words, MIS helps managers answer one important question: what is happening inside the business? Think about a restaurant. Every order, payment, refund, delivery, stock update, and customer complaint creates data. But a manager cannot sit and read thousands of individual transactions every day. That would be useless. So the MIS takes that raw data and turns it into something meaningful. It can show daily sales, best-selling items, slow-moving products, busiest hours, stock usage, staff performance, customer feedback, and profit trends. Now the manager is not guessing. The manager is seeing the business clearly. That is the real purpose of MIS. It converts operational data into management information. A transaction processing system records the individual activity. For example, one customer bought one burger at 7 p.m., but MIS summarizes that activity. For example, burgers sold 40% more between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. this weekend. That summary is what helps managers decide what to do next. Should they increase stock? Should they add more staff during peak hours? Should they remove slow-moving items? Should they launch a weekend offer? Should they open another branch? This is where MIS becomes powerful. It does not only show numbers, it supports planning, control, and decision-making. In a retail store, MIS can show which products are selling fast and which products are stuck in inventory. In a bank, MIS can show loan applications, customer activity, fraud alerts, and branch performance. In a hospital, MIS can show patient flow, appointment delays, bed availability, medicine usage, and department performance. In a university, MIS can show admissions, attendance, student records, exam results, and fee status. So MIS is not limited to one industry. Every organization that needs management control needs some form of management information system. But here's the catch. MIS is only as good as the data behind it. If employees enter wrong data, the MIS will produce wrong reports. If departments do not update the system, managers will see outdated information. If the dashboard is poorly designed, managers may misunderstand what the numbers actually mean. And this is where many businesses fail. They think buying software means they have an MIS. No, software is only the tool. A real MIS needs clean data, clear processes, trained people, useful reports, and managers who actually use the information. Otherwise, it becomes digital decoration. A dashboard that no one reads is useless. A report that comes too late is useless. A system full of wrong data is dangerous. And a manager who ignores information will still make emotional decisions. That is the brutal truth. MIS does not replace management judgment. It improves it. It helps managers move from guessing to seeing, from reacting late to acting earlier, from emotional decisions to evidence-based decisions. But it cannot fix bad leadership. It cannot turn lazy managers into strategic thinkers. It cannot make poor data magically reliable. It gives information. Humans still need to interpret it. And today, MIS is becoming even more powerful because of cloud computing, business intelligence, and AI. Modern MIS can update in real time, connect multiple branches, predict trends, send alerts, and even recommend actions. For example, instead of only showing that stock is low, a modern MIS may warn the manager before the shortage happens. Instead of only reporting falling sales, it may highlight which product, branch, time period is causing the decline. That is where MIS is heading, from reporting the past to helping managers prepare for the future. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple. Understand MIS not as boring office software, but as the nervous system of management. Because once managers can see the right information at the right time, they stop running the business blindly and start making decisions with clarity.